Hello everyone! How to keep your live on Facebook na hindi nabubura? 'Di ba kapag nag-live tayo, kapag finish na yung live natin, may lumalabas na delete for 30 days, 'di ba? So guys, may solusyon tayo diyan para hindi ma-delete yung live natin sa Facebook. And of course, we go to our Facebook account and we need to go live. Ayun guys, for example, I go live in 3, 2, 1. Just click the finish. And then ayan guys, may lumalabas na deletion settings and post for 30 days. Kung gusto mo naman i-delete, just click the delete. Ayan guys, para hindi siya ma-delete after 30 days, we go to the deletion settings. Just click. Ayan, may pagpipilian tayo dito. Keep for 30 days, keep for 6 months, or never delete. Of course guys, we select the never delete and post. Ganun lang guys. Thank you.